How to create a house on Clubhouse. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a house on Clubhouse, and this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Clubhouse account, just like I've done here. Then move to the top right corner, click on your profile icon. On your profiles page, you can see a number of options. Ensure you select settings. So once you're in the settings page, you can see your account settings, which is encoded or covered by your profile name. You can see post notifications, notification settings, create a house. So select create a house, and then you'll be taken to the next stage. So here, you'll be required to choose a name for the house that you want to create. So I'm just going to give an example now. Family bond time, and then click on create my house, and you wait for it to load. And the next step would be for you to invite people to your house. So you can add friends with a single link, or you can just decide to share by clicking on the share icon here, or you can just go ahead to add friends here, whichever one of your choice. Then you can also select friends by clicking on the select friends icon at the bottom part of the screen. Then once you're done, click on done, and then your house would be created. But you must invite a person, you must invite people for your house would be created. So that is it. So you can click on the plus icon in order for you to host a live section or create a room. So this is it. Thank you everybody for watching, and ensure you subscribe, leave a like for this video so that you can encourage us to create more. Thank you for watching and have a very good day.